Okay, here's Vera from a male's perspective. The repairs. Vic says, yeah, it's all pretty easy. But from my point of view, where do we start? We've got to make it waterproof. So remove and replace repair seals on the J rails. The windows, replace the windows with plexiglass, I'm thinking. And this is a good job, lay on your back with a wire wheel, grinder, repaint, reseal underneath, replace springs, brakes, shackles, axle, maybe extend the drawbar. Yeah, easy job. Gotta love laying on your back. So then the inside, like it says, is easy for me. So we've got a bit of water damage, which isn't too bad. Once the J rail's fixed up, that should be fixed, and then just replace the timber. Inside's getting painted. Replace or repair the roof. Looks like it leaks a little bit. Install AC, so everybody should be able to do that. Easy enough. Nice little split. Go underneath the bench there, underneath the seat. Put new floor down, easy enough. And then the good job is, oh yeah, let's just put a slide out kitchen. Let's cut a hole in the side of the caravan. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but never done that, but we'll see. Slide out kitchen, lift bed in the back. So that's a fairly simple job. Shouldn't take too long, only about months and months. Anyway, we'll see where we're at. She's a good old van, but once it's fixed up a bit. Well, we towed it all the way back from Bonnie Doon, you know, off the castle. It was a great spot. It's our old Millard, 16 footer.